Hello and welcome to Butler.H.Q, and today I'm going to be turning your front light bezels from this to this. Look at that. That looks so much better now. So the first thing I'm going to do is dunk the whole assembly in some soapy water, wash up liquid and clean it as well as you can. The whole thing is to get any grime off. We've got all the grime off. So we can make these satin permanently, because cleaning these is tedious. And I love E34s, but cleaning these is definitely for me the worst part. Give it back a bit of a clean as well. My rag's falling apart. Once you've done that, you got to dry it off somehow. So now, maybe even more duller, arguably. But the whole process was to get rid of any waxes that's been on there in my car's lower and get it back just to raw plastic so we can complete the next step. So when it's all dry, I'm going to scuff this up a bit with some 800 grit sandpaper. I know it's going to be impossible to get to every bit. So just get bit as much as you can, what you feel you need to. It's the first time using the GoPro on a tutorial, so let me know what you think. We don't want to take chunks out of the plastic, we just want to key it a bit, which is what we've done. Now we want to make sure all the dust is off, and that's for the right side of the car. Now I've got some plastic dip to do the chrome grills and my chrome rings. I will do it in plastic dip simply because chrome trim piece now becoming hard to find, so I don't want a blacker set. If 2 or 3 years down the line I'm going to go back to a more standard look. A lot of people, late 90s, used to paint these white, or we used to do the M colours on them. Yeah, I do that today. I'm just trying to keep the black. Wait for that to dry. I'll give it another coat. 3 coats in. This is what I'm looking at. These look nice. Well, happy with it. 1 last coat, and we'll wait for it to dry. Now, this ain't going to be to everyone's taste. I mean, I'm sure if you do like getting earbuds in there and cleaning them all out and all that good stuff, I'm sure you ain't going to like this, but it's always good. I like the front. I love the slits in my eyes and all that, but just cleaning this every time you clean it down, when it goes dull, just never really appealed to me. I've done it in satin black. Maybe I should have done it in matte, maybe, when it might have looked too dull. It's too late now, Stefan, you've committed. You've committed, lad. This is sort of what we started off with. And that's what we're with now. It looks too bad. Now, I think last time I checked, these were about £80 each from BMW. Look at that. That looks so much better now. Now, I was going to say, I didn't film taking these off because we have got a video removing the front grille. I'll post it there. And people have been here a bit, don't want to see something I've seen before. I do like people watching, don't get me wrong, but I don't like it farming out stuff that's already been covered on my channel. You don't probably want to see it. I don't want to make it, I want to put fresh content out there all the time. So, if you do want to know how to take the front grills off, there's going to be a link up there when we do it to Nugget, our Ultra 101 Kashmere Beige E34 540 spin manual touring. It's on that one, we filmed it, so click up there if you want to know how to remove the grille and remove all the bezels. But until next time, I'd like to say thanks for watching, bye bye.